Want to see how your Instagram post will look in your grid before hitting publish? You're not alone. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just super picky about your feed's vibe, Instagram doesn't give a built-in way to preview your posts in your actual layout. And let's face it, posting blindly can totally mess up your aesthetic. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more quick social media tips like this. Here's the fix. You can preview your feed using free mobile apps or even built-in Instagram features if you're clever with drafts. Option 1. Use a free feed preview app. Apps like Preview, Planoly, or Unum are made exactly for this. Download the app. Sign in with Instagram, or upload screenshots of your posts if you prefer privacy. Then drag and drop your future posts into your mock feed. You'll see exactly how your grid will look before publishing anything live. You can even schedule posts and write captions directly in the app. Option 2. Use Instagram drafts creatively. Another trick. Upload your post like normal, edit it, write the caption, but instead of posting, hit back and save it as a draft. Then go to your profile, click the plus icon, and view your drafts. It's not perfect, but it gives you a preview of how it might look, especially if you post often. Both of these methods save you from ugly mismatched grids or color clashes. And if you're managing a theme or brand, it's a must-have workflow. If this helped improve your Instagram game, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.